Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome students. Today we are going to start the next topic of this chapter, that is nests of birds. Students, till now we have read about the different features of birds, like how do birds fly, like types of feathers and flying movements. And we have also read about water birds, and today we are going to see one more topic, that's nests of birds. What are nests? Students, nests are the birds' homes. Likewise, we live in our houses. Similarly, birds live in nests. They make their nests by themselves on trees, on buildings, or on the ground. Why do birds need nests? Students, birds need nests in order to protect themselves and also to lay eggs. Birds need nests to protect themselves and to lay eggs. Students, to make nests, they use grasses, cotton, wool, and etc. Students, different kinds of birds build different kinds of nests. Like you can see on your book, this is a sparrow's nest. A sparrow builds a nest on the top of a tree. This is another bird which is called as partridge, and it builds its nest on the ground. Students, the most important use of a nest is to use a nest for egg laying. Students, as soon as the egg laying season comes near, a bird starts building its nest. After laying eggs, the bird keeps them warm till the babies hatch out. Students, then these newborn babies are protected in these nests till they learn to fly. Thus, nest is a very important part of a bird's life, because it protects a bird itself, and it becomes a protection for the eggs and also the newborn babies that come out of these nest eggs. Students, now we will see how do birds make our life beautiful. Students, you know that birds are our friends. They make this world look beautiful. And these birds also help us in many ways. We will see some ways in which birds help us. Students, some birds eat insects that are present in our crops, and thus they protect our crops. In our environment, the dead animals are present, but the birds like crows and vultures, as we have already read, they eat the dead animals, and thus they make our surroundings clean. Students, some birds also help in the growth of plants by the spreading of seeds. Students, now we shall recapitulate all the important points from the chapter Birds. Number first, students, different birds need different kinds of food and students, birds are able to fly because of the presence of boat-shaped bodies. A bird can fly in the sky due to its low weight and flight muscles that we have already read, and low weight is because of the hollow bones. We have already read this. Number 4, swan, duck, that are called as water birds, have webbed feet due to which they are able to swim in the water. They have webbed feet. Number 5th and number next, that different birds make different kinds of nests, like we saw how sparrow makes its nest, like it builds its nest over the top of the tree. Similarly, different kinds of birds use different places to build their nests. Now at the end of the topic, there are some questions, students. I hope that you can answer all these questions. Like number first, the feathers which keep the bird's body warm are called as, what are they called? Likewise, the next question, the bird which is called bird of prey, which of the bird is called as bird of prey? You will answer this question also. And a partridge builds its nest. We read where it builds its nest. You have to answer this question as well. And also, which of these birds cannot fly at all? Is it crow? Is it sparrow? Or is it ostrich? Students, we have already read about flightless birds, and you will answer this question accordingly. And which of these is not a water bird? Is it swan? Is it duck? And is it hen? Similarly, there are some another questions. Fill in the blanks. Birds have wings and a body covered with. Students, likewise, there are these questions, 2 sets of questions. These are your home assignments, and you will complete your home assignments so that you can clearly understand the whole chapter.